Actually, it is easy to possible. Earn $500 to $5,000 per month by publishing notebooks or books on Amazon.
Amazon book published. Money generate.
Amazon book published. Money generate.
How to publish Amazon book?
If we are trying to see how Amazon publishes the notebooks and how much money it generates monthly, so we are go to for Amazon and let's search white notebook. This white notebook review feedback 4,300 plus means the white notebook has sold above 4,300 plus. So we are calculate now. Now if we are assigned 4,300 plus minimum people both the notebooks. So we are calculate now and the price of the book is $3. So the total sales from the book are $12,000. That's only 8 months plus. Oh my god, this is very amazing. Now we need to know how the search volume of the notebooks keyword from Amazon that we are going to create the notebooks. First we will go a Herb website. Here we will select Amazon and country. Then we will search by searching notebooks and find keywords. Search volume is 4,000. Average search people on the USA. Oh my god. If you think only 2,000 people buy your notebooks from here, how many dollars can you generate just by using notebooks keyword and create for notebooks and published by Amazon? You will understand that the market demand for notebooks is a good. So we will use for Canva that it is a great for our good notebooks. We will go to Canva, then select create design and then add it now on size 8 into 11 inch. Then left side you also select element to search element in align. Then select graphics, only free line assign. That you also scroll down, that is free line you also assign that for create a multiple line from online. And select all right to position, left fixed the position align. We can design anything if we want. Then our on face we are good design that on face we are multiple copy face. Okay, we are good design that for on face, that for our assign for follower, that's for search, and for element and graphics good follower we also assign that for our notebooks. That is the good assign design that for you in your book that buyer satisfied for your notebooks. Okay, so we are good design and good look. Now we will copy many from on page. We will create 14 pages that end up. Now it is necessary to create front page and back page of notebooks. So we are going to KDP cover calculator and take this all information one by one and download in template. And this template we are assigned to Canva, front page and back page good design. Actually in KDP template to ensure template guideline, notebooks front page and back page size ratio. Now we have created a very nice front page and back page design. You can design the things as you like. So our design is good. Now it is right we are download it PDF print. Okay, just PDF print select and download on this template for front page and back page. This means in your notebook ready to publish. You want to publish on Amazon, you need to create a KDP account. And then you create a KDP account and you publish that for your notebook or book. In the next video we will see how to publish our book Amazon in a good way. So thanks for watching.